Okay, class. These words are going to be words that you guys do on April 19th. You should have probably already done them from the book, using the book. But for those of you that missed, and sometimes videos help you, I'm going to do them over the video and upload it onto YouTube, okay? So the first word is to drop off. To drop off, my hand shape is going to start off as an S, and it's going to be front of body. My palm is out, and my movement is one single movement to drop off. Sort of like you're just dropping whatever you have in your hand. The second word is emergency. Emergency is, my hand shape is going to be two, what are these? Okay. Front of body, my palms are where. And then these are going to move in conjunction, so make sure that you put that they move simultaneously or together, and it's going to be a double back and forth motion. Not to be confused with Easter. Don't forget Easter is done like this, and so this is going to be emergency. The next word is for, F-O-R. For is going to be used whenever you are giving a reason as to why something happened. Okay, so my hand shape is going to be this. My location is going to be at my forehead, and it's going to be one single movement out. For. The next word is job. For my hand shape, pay attention though, because there's going to be two hand shapes. So the first one you see is a J, and my J is going to go into a B. Okay, so my hand shapes are actually going to be J and B. Location is front of body, palms are where. Okay, and my movement, you can put one single movement, J into a B. So if you need to do this one with arrows pointing like J turns into the B, then do that. The next word is to plan. My hand shapes, it's going to be front of body, and my palms are where? To the side. Okay, and so to plan, I'm just going to do one single movement to the side. To plan. This is also the same sign for to get ready, and you guys learned that back in Unit 8 with clothing. So to plan. The next one is wow. Okay, wow can be used alone as a response to something like wow, that happened, or used to emphasize the information that precedes the sign. So for example, if you were to say wow, I went to a party. Okay, wow. Okay, so my hand shapes are this, front of body, my palms are where. And it's actually going to start off with my palms are going to be in. Okay, so I'm just going to like drop my hands. Wow. Wow. It's going to be a double motion. Wow. If you're following along in the book, turn to page 366. All of those were just on page 363. Look on page 366, and we will do these. The next word is to advertise. This is to advertise or advertising. Okay, so my hand shapes are this. Now remember, your dominant hand is the one that moves, so your dominant hand is going to go in front, and you're going to line them up like this, and then it's going to be it's going to be a double tap going out. Okay, so it'd be to advertise or advertising. To advertise or advertising. It's almost like you're putting your stamp of approval on there. The next sign is to apply, and if you add a person indicator onto this sign, it becomes applicant. So to apply, it's going to be an F, and what I'm going to do is my location is going to be my shirt. I'm actually going to tug at my shirt. So for your motion, put tug at shirt, and like I said, if you add a PI, this becomes applicant. Okay, so to apply, and then applicant. The next word is cash register. It's going to be front of body. And my handshake, let's go ahead and put a 5. Okay, my palms are going to be down. And my motion is that I'm going to wiggle my fingers, sort of like you're typing on a keyboard or on a cash register. Now, if I do this and add this, then it becomes cashier. So somewhere on your parameter sheet, go ahead and put that down. This is cash register. This plus person indicator is cashier. The next word is to count. So my dominant is going to be this, and my non-dominant is this. Okay. My dominant palm is where? My non-dominant is where? Okay. And my location, I want you to put that your dominant is actually on top of your palm, your non-dominant palm. And it's going to be this double motion to count. Now if I do this and add this, then it becomes accountant. So a count person is an accountant. The last word for this set of vocabulary words is to design. Okay, so my hand shape is this for my dominant hand, and my non-dominant hand is going to be a 5 or a closed V. My palm is going to be, my dominant palm is down, and my non-dominant palm is going to be up. And now I'm going to wiggle my D down. Wiggle my D down. This is to design. Remember, if we do art, art is what? With an I, okay? But we're doing to design, so it's going to be a D. And if I add a person indicator, then it becomes a designer. So this is to design, and this is designer. Okay, go ahead and mark that down.